Good day everybody, JBSB here, and today we're going to talk about the things that you need to bring when you're trying to compete on a Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive race. And this is for the beginners, the aspiring racers, the newbies that wants to race on a competitive level. And it's coming up now. Let's watch it. And before that, let's do the shout out. Shout out to Kuya Jerry and Fritz of Team Colette's. Shout out to Boss Yel. Shout out to all the Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racers here in the Philippines and also abroad. And yeah, without further ado, let's proceed to the video. Without cut. So, ano nga po ba ang kailangan nating gawin pag tayo ay magkukumpete or makikipparticipate sa isang racing event? It's either fun race or guaranteed prize races. So, first off, the basic thing you need to bring, which is mini 4-wheel drive. And actually, I have one here. Yeah, it's a front motor chassis BG category. And yeah, you should bring your mini 4-wheel drive with you. So this is the FM category, and we also have here the non-FM category, or yung nasa rear yung kanyang motor. So this is an AR chassis, cleared orange special ng Aero Avante. So meron na tayong mini 4-wheel drive. So syempre, you need to bring the battery. Kung ilan yung mini 4-wheel drive, yun din yung amount ng pair ng battery na kailangan mo dalhin. So, kung ikaw ay beginner, sisimula ka pa lang, possible meron kang FM mini 4-wheel drive and non-FM mini 4-wheel drive. So, probably, pick isa. So, 2 pairs ng battery. Yeah. So, actually, I have here a better example. Yung aking ginagamit. Itong Gold Fujitsu, maganda siya. Itong Gold Fujitsu. Isa sa pinaka gusto kong battery. If wala ka nang mabiling gold na Fujitsu, ito naman yung Red Label Japan made na Fujitsu. Makikita mo siya na meron siyang recycle logo there na orange. So, maganda po ito. Ginagamit din nila sa Speedtech, sa Pro Stock, syempre, mas mahinang kumusumo ng battery, mas maganda ito. Mas matagal ang battery life. Tsaka battery voltage. And, syempre, battery case or battery box. Pero kung kukunti pa lang mini 4-wheel drive mo, because this is a 12 pairs of batteries na kaya mong ilagay dito, sa box na to, pwede kayo dito. Ito, 2 pair lang to. 4 na pirasong battery. Kasi ito medyo pricey, nasa 300 to 500 because acrylic to. At yata nasa 50 to 100 lang, 2 pairs. So, actually mas mura to. So, I'll be giving you tips and advice as well. Hindi lang yung mga kailangan mong dalhin. Mas mura to kung may plano ka rin namang dumami yung mini 4-wheel drive mo, tumaas yung chances of winning. Mas mura to kasi 12 pairs to. Nasa 300 to 500 lang. Kung bibili ka naman ng 2 pairs, 50 pesos. So, per pair, 50. So, kung 12 pairs, so 600. Tapos, napakadami yung dadaling ganito. So, that's why I bought this. That's the reason why. So, meron ka ng battery, meron ka ng mini 4-wheel drive. Ano pa ang kailangan mo? Essential, to know your battery voltage, kailangan mo ng battery checker. So, this cost about 200 to 300 pesos. So, you really need this. Paano pa gamitin ng battery checker? So, meron naman dito nakalagay na sign, which is positive and negative. So, lagay mo lang yung negatives and positive kung saan sila dapat ilagay. So, yeah. So, if you can see, 1, 3, 2. And, you have a battery. What else do you need? A charger. So, this is a bit pricey para sa mga beginners. Pero kaya mo mag-charge ng 2 pairs of batteries. Ito po ay Opus. This is it. Yeah. BTC2000. That's my charger. Opus charger. Pero nung nagsimula ako, ito gamit ko. Bumili ako ng Panasonic na wall charger. About 150 to 200 or 300. Hindi ko na maalala. Pero hindi ka advisable na bumili ng ganito eh. Kasi mas maganda yung mga ganito klaseng charger. Opus, yun na. At least Opus. Kasi yun na yung pinaka lowest and cheapest brand na maganda naman mag-charge. So, Opus. Next na rito, yung mga Sky RC. Next na rito yung Power X. Pero kung pro stock naman ang laro mo, hindi naman speed tech, eto na. It's good enough. Rather than this, don't spend money for this. Just save money for this. So, meron ka ng charger, meron ka ng battery, meron ka ng kotse. Ano pa kailangan mo? So, kailangan mo syempre ng tools just in case magkaroon ng emergency maintenance or pit stop. Nag-flew off track yung mini-fold drive. Kailangan may ayusin. Kailangan mo rin ito. Kailangan mo rin ng super glue, which is mighty bond. So, super glue. Kailangan ng super glue. What else? You also need a cutter. Iba yung pag-iingat, lalo sa mga bata ang paggamit ng cutter. So, kung may mga batang racers, might as well, the parents should guide them. Kailangan ng iba yung patnubay ng magulang kasi medyo delikado ang cutter. So, usually naman racers ang nag-aayos ng auto at yung mga anak nila, pinabibitaw na lang nila sa mga anak nila. Age 7 years old and up. Minsan nga, meron 4 years old, nagbibitaw ng auto ng daddy niya, ng mini-fold drive ng daddy niya. Hindi naman yung mga bata ang nagbe-maintain ng mini-fold drive, which is the parent. Ang nagbe-maintain is yung parents. So, all good naman siya. Just again, advice lang and precaution. Ingatan sa mga bata ang paggamit ng mga tools. So, speaking of tools, ano pa kailangan mo? Meron ka ng cutter, meron ka ng screwdrivers, meron ka na long nose. Just in case na may kailangan kang pihitin. Or yung double plastic rollers mo, which is this, bumangga sa pader, tumingala, so medyo kailangan mo ng support, pan-down thrust. Para mabalik yung tornilyo, yung screw sa pagkakabend niya to give you a down thrust effect, which is yung pasubsob. Siyempre yung gunting. Bakit mo kailangan ng gunting? Kasi baka yung tires mo maluwag, hindi fit sa mags. Pag tumatakbo yung mini-fold drive mo, no, naglulus yung tires yung sa mags, natatanggal, kumakalas. So, kailangan mo ng double-sided tape. This one. Para ilalagay mo muna sa mags. Pag nalagay mo na sa mags yung double-sided tape, tanggalin mo yung pelya. Then, nakadikit na yung other side sa mags. Yung other side, naghihintay na lang doon sa tires. And you need syempre yung gunting. Para saktong double-sided tape lang malalagay mo doon sa yung mags. Speaking of mags, paint marker. Or this is not a paint marker. This is a permanent marker. Para sa ng permanent marker. Pag lumuwag ang gulong naman, na-fix mo na yung mags and tires. Pero, meron namang secondary problem. Ano yon? Yung wheel shaft to mags. Medyo maluwag na yung mags mo. May pag tumatakbo yung mini-fold drive, kumakalas yung mags doon sa wheel shaft. So, nagiging 3 wheels lang yung mini-fold drive mo. Makakatulong ang paint marker. Mamarkahan mo yung dulo ng wheel shaft. As much as possible, makapal-kapal siya. At all side ng wheel shaft, malagyan mo ng mark. Tapos, patuyuin mo muna. Then, tsaka mo ilagay yung mags. Tsaka mo ipasok yung mags. Sisikip siya. 100%. Pagka ayaw na, palitan mo na yung mags. Sobrang luwag na nun. How do you know your speed? Kailangan mo ma-check muna yung speed mo. So, beginners, I advise, bili kayo ng speed checker. If, sa ngayon, kasi nagsisimula ka pa lang, meron ka naman ka-teammates o kakilala, pwede ka naman manghiram. Pahiramin ka namin. Pag ako nakita mo sa race, gusto mo mag-check ng speed ng iyong mini-fold drive, dala ko lagi ito, pahiramin kita. Willing akong pahiramin ka, lalo kung bago ka, walang problema. Bibigyan pa kita ng advice, anong speed kailangan mo dun sa a particular racetrack layout. So, tutulungan kita dyan. Wala ka pang pambili ng speed checker, I will definitely help you out. Okay? Now, para naman mataas ang chance mong manalo, you need a stopwatch. Kailangan mo na stopwatch para makuha mo yung oras mo within 3 laps. At the same time, nakuha mo na yung oras mo during 3 laps sa first heat, aabangan mo rin yung tatapat sa'yo na auto. So, this is a tip para mataas ang chance mong manalo. Alam mo kung paano ka mag-a-adjust sa second heat. So, inorasan mo. For example, yung track layout, ang maximum speed niya, best time niya is 13.5, 13.50. Sabihin na natin ganun. Tapos, inorasan mo yung auto mo, 13.60 ang naging oras mo. So, tapos, pagpasok ng mini-fold drive mo, yung next winning car, ikaw na ang katapat. Sa'yo itatapat. Now, yung oras niya, na orasan mo, 13.75 siya. So, ibig sabihin, mas mabilis yung mini-fold drive mo. Ngayon, alam mo na second hit, lamang ka, advantage ka. Ngayon, kung naorasan ka naman ng kalaban mo, yung kalaban mo naman magpapabilis ng auto. Pag nakita mo nag-release ang kalaban mo ng O-ring, dito sa AR, di gano'n nag-release Pero sa front motor chassis BG Count, etong nire-releasean. Tinatanggal yung O-ring, yung goma ng 13mm. Pag napansin mo siya nagtanggal ng O-ring, bibili siya. Baka possible maabutan ka or ma-underspeed ka. So, release ka rin isang O-ring. Okay, ganun yung mga technique at tactics. Tip lang yon. So, anyways, I'll be doing another video for that. Specific tips and tactics. So, for now, ito muna. Meron na bibili nito ng 150, 200, 300. So, it's up to you how to search online. May mga nagbebenta second hand. Possible, 100 lang mabili mo. But I'm not pretty sure the quality or kung gumagana pa siya. So, might as well double check. So, again, stopwatch. Essential yan. So, kung meron ka ng stopwatch, dala mo na lahat. Second na kailangan mo dalhin after stopwatch is cellphone mo na may notepad. Bakit kailangan mo ng notepad? Para mo record mo yung, saan mo lalagay yung time ng mini-fold drive mo na record mo yung oras. Siyempre, doon sa notepad ng yung cellphone. Kung wala ka namang dalang cellphone or ayaw mo gumamit ng cellphone, hassle, pwede kang dala ng ballpen and yung maliit na notebook or papel para disposable. So, kuhain mo lang number ng mini-fold drive mo, numberan mo siya as number 1, tapos sulat mo yung time mo. Tapos sa second hit, lalagyan mo lang siya ng dash, tapos yung second hit time mo. Okay? Ito naman mga necessity. So, every time na magre-race ka, bago mo i-race yung mini-fold drive mo, kailangan mo ma-properly maintain yung makina. I have a video for maintaining your motor as well. You can see the link here. I'll put it here or there, up above. And also, on the end screen, makikita mo yung next video or yung suggested video ko, which is maintaining your motor or your makina. Bago mo patatakbuhin yung auto mo, make sure na you have a lubricant para doon sa makina, para hindi siya nag-overheat. Hindi ka manghinayang, bumagal yung mini-fold drive ko kasi nag-overheat yung makina. Dahil hindi mo na-maintain at walang langis or lubricant. It's either Loctite, nasa 300, 200 or something, 280. Pero ako mismo, ang ginagamit ko is Petromate para sa full stock. Petromate Penetrating Oil. Sa Petron, makakabili nito. So, Loctite naman para doon sa iba. Kaso, ginagamit ko lang siya pang linis ng makina. Makikita mo doon sa video ko how to maintain your motor kung bakit. Alright. Bakit kailangan ng tissue pagka in-spray mo nito? Kasi baka mapasobra ka, maglilik dun sa chassis. Kailangan mo ng tissue para punasan yung chassis at the same time yung excess oil or lubricant dun sa yung motor at dun sa motor catch. Panglinis ng gulong. So, meron ka ng towel. Ayan, kita mo naman yung mark ng gulong. Madumi. Ano pa kailangan mo? Siyempre, kailangan mo ng liquid para malinis mo yung towel. I'm sorry, kailangan mo ng liquid para malinis mo yung tire, so yung gulong. Ginawa ko, hindi siya pure alcohol, pero siyang halong alcohol, tubig, at Joy Liquid Dishwashing. Kasi maganda, mabilis matuyo pagka may alcohol. At the same time, yung dishwashing liquid, mabilis magtanggal ng dumi. Bakit tinatanggal ang dumi ng mini-fold drive? Kung gusto mong pabilisin ang mini-fold drive mo, ang takbo niya, the more friction na meron ang yung tires, at sumasabay siya sa lakas ng makina. Pag takbo pa lang niya, pagbaba mong gano'n, zoom, aarangkada siya. Lalo pagka 5.1 ang gamit mo na gear. So that's a tip. Pagka 5.1, mabilis ang arangkada. 5.1, malakas sa akyatan. 5.1, malakas sa talunan. So that's the advantage of 5.1. Later on, I'll be doing another video for that. So, pagka madumi naman ang gulong mo, mabagal ang arangkada. So, ginagawa ng mga mini-fold drive, dinudumihan sadya yung kanilang tires para bumagal. Ibig sabihin, for example, first race, nagtalunan off-track lahat ng mini-fold drive. Tapos, napansin mo na nangunguna ka, kaya lang tumalon yung mini-fold drive mo. Pwede mo siyang pabagalin by putting some dust or dudumihan mo yung tires. Alright? So, what else? Ito, optional na lang din. Tawag namin ito pang gising ng makina. So, for example, nag-overheat yung makina mo, bumagal. Tapos, natalo ka sa first hit, or do sa first hit natalo ka nga, ire-re-entry mo yung mini fold drive mo, might as well gisingin mo muna. 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds, another 5 seconds. Para lang lumuwag, maging smooth yung takbo ng yung mini fold drive. So, I'm still looking for anything else that I need to cover. And there's one more thing na kailangan mo. You need a toolbox for beginners. Siyempre, yung ganito. Ganito klaseng toolbox. Kasya na rito 2 mini fold drive. Kasya na rito yung charger. Kasya na rito lahat ng binili mo. Pera lang yung speed checker. So, yung speed checker siguro sling bag. Kaya na pouch bag. Kailangan mo yun. Now, kung meron ka ng at least 3 to 5 to 6 cars, kailangan mo na ng car bag. So, I have here a car bag, which is a DGTL bag. DGTL bag. Eto, napakaganda ng quality ng bag na to. Yan. And ang may-ari ng DGTL is si Sir Rain or si Sir Vladimir. If you want, you can see the Messenger account and the Facebook account of Sir Vladimir. And also, check the DGTL page. So, yan. DGTL bag. So, buksan lang natin. Okay lang, kahit medyo matagal tayo or medyo napahaba tayo. Importante naman to eh. You need to learn this. You need to know this. Lalo na kung medyo bago-bago ka pa. 6-slotted bag. 6-slotted bag. So, ito acrylic to. So, matibay. So, laser cut. Laser cut. Hindi siya mano-manong kinat. So, at the same time, puzzle type. So, binubuo siya na assemble. So, yun maganda rito. Matibay, madaling kabit, madaling bukusin. At the same time, high quality and digital bag. So, kung gusto nyo malaman yung price, just message Sir Rain and he'll give you the details. And again, kasya rito 6 na bag, kasya dito yung charger, kasya rito yung battery box with battery. At the same time, meron pa siyang other pockets na pwede mo ilagay yung mga tools, which is at the back. So, dito sa car bag na to, sulit na sulit ang pera mo. Matagal-tagal mo siyang magagamit, possible, mga 3 to 5 years magagamit mo siya. Lalo na kung di ka naman reckless gumamit. Yan. And, mas maganda pa tong bag na to kaysa doon sa mga bag na nakita mo sa mall. Kasi ito high endurance, nasa high quality. Kasi nga, syempre, pinoprotektahan yung mga auto, mini fold drive. Mini fold drive nowadays has a high cost, so kailangan ingatan mo siya. So, you already have those things that you need to bring with you, and wala na akong masasuggest pa na kailangan mong dalhin eh. Pero kung meron yung mga dati ng racers na makakapanood nito at may masasuggest sila, just comment down below. Put your suggestions and comments down below to give some ideas for our new racers, aspiring racers, para lalong lumaki ang community ng Tamiya Mini Fold Drive. So, I think that's it for me now. If you like this video, you can just hit and smash that like icon, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell notification as well for you to get notified on my future uploads. And if you really like this video and if you think it helps you a lot, please share this video to your wall timeline on Facebook and also to your groups in group chats and groups on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as well. Like what I've said every video, keep safe, take care of yourself, be blessed today and every day of your life, and see you on the next video. Bye!